In a remote corner of Turkey, 5 unusual siblings come to the attention of the world. Victims of a mysterious condition, pariahs in their village, they now face international scrutiny. And all because of how they walk, on their feet and their hands. What could possibly have caused this? The family sparks a fierce debate among scientists around the world. Some create a sensation in the popular press, claiming the handwalkers represent a backward stage in evolution. Others believe their disability may hold clues to how we came to walk upright.
Within the DNA of this family, there is going to be that gene that we still have to find, which may be involved in the evolution of this very human trait.
Some argue the handwalkers have been shaped less by genes than by the world around them.
Those kind of behavioral changes don't occur as a result of 1 or 2 genes changing. I'm quite certain that there's something else in the background of this astonishing family that changed the behavior of the children in this family so that they'd failed to get up on 2 legs.
But whether the handwalkers tell us anything about the past, their personal story is about to change forever. The family that walks on all 4s, up next on Nova.